ready?
I'm ready. Hello.
Hello.
Um, all right. Hello, everyone. My name is Brianna Bood. I'm a solutions engineer at Solver, and I'm excited to show you guys how Solver xFP&A and Sage can transform your budgeting process. So here's a little background about Solver. So we are an AI-driven solution for extended financial planning and analysis. So we add the X, FP&A, and that provides actionable insights across the organization. And we add the X here as far as it's not just for your financial department. So just a little further background, since 1996, we've developed a cloud-based platform that enhances the financial planning. Our user-friendly xFP&A tool features an Excel-like interface, integrates with various ERP systems, and improves reporting and data visualization through the use of Power BI as well. And this also provides clearer communication of your data. Now, here is our architecture of how your data um, enters into Solver's platform. This is our Solver connector wizard, and this enables an easy connection to various data sources using a low-code or no-code approach. This simplifies the process of integrating your data into Solver, resulting in a single reliable source of the truth in which your team can work with your accurate data in real time. And we also provide on-demand training, out-of-the-box report templates, and your preset connectors. This helps your experience during migration and making the transition smooth and efficient as well. Now, let's dig into our AI first initiative to accelerating your better decisions using our Solver Copilot. Solver has been investing in an AI first initiative to drive innovation across our platform. Going forward, all new features will be evaluated through the lens of AI enablement, specifically how Solver Copilots can enhance usability, efficiency, and strategic value. So we believe our mission to accelerate intelligent decisions is powered by the intelligent application of AI, of course. As part of this initiative, our product team is reviewing all existing and upcoming capabilities to identify opportunities where AI can meaningfully improve the experience and outcomes for our users. And Solver Copilot is composed of a suite of intelligent agents that function as specialized agents. So each is designed to support a core area of your user value. So we have our help agent, we have an analysis agent, and coming soon as well, we have our planning agent and task agents. All of these agents will serve as a proactive partner in your solver experience, learning from behaviors, improving over time, and enabling users to make better, faster decisions with confidence. Um, to dig deeper on the Copilot help agent, this is an intelligent guide designed to assist users of all experience levels on the Solver platform. It offers step-by-step onboarding, real-time help, and advanced support for building reports and resolving issues. So by continuously learning from the user interactions, the Copilot will enhance the onboarding experience and encourages self-service solutions. And then, just to go further into our additional agent that just released is our analysis agent. Solver Copilot analysis agent, it offers deep contextual and proactive insights. So it helps users identify outliers, anomalies, and anything that you're needing to expect from performance, or understand your performance as well. So this detects emerging trends and any shifts in patterns that may not be immediately obvious. And also, you can automatically generate narrative summaries and insights to review the details there. All right. So here's just another view of our AI focused strategy. And it highlights the different assistants here and their roles in improving for your smart decision making using Solver. All right, so let's take a look at some details here in regards to financial organizations. So, some organizations today face significant challenges. Nearly 45% of the team's time is spent on basic data collection and validation, which cuts into time for strategic analysis. Relying on fragmented data and manual processes can slow down decision making and limit real-time visibility. And that's why 72% of CFOs want to invest more in financial planning and analysis, as they realize that the outdated tools hold their teams back. The main challenge in FP&A is that there's lack of trust in that unified data source, which affects agility and risk management. So this is where Solver can help. We provide that unified data, automation, and real-time insights, enabling leaders to make better, faster decisions. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of our environment. And here we're going to focus on our solver budget workflow. And I'll show you a sample of how our Copilot analysis agent works. All right, so here we are in our solver cloud environment. So this is our home page. I'm going to go ahead and create a workflow here. So here's the solver workflow in the menu items here. And um, the issue with some companies here, and we have a sample user by the name of Janet. Let's say her name is Janet, and she's having trouble because she's doing manual processes, sending out her reports and budgets to department managers, and everyone has to do the process very detailed and manually using Excel or email. So there's not very much visibility for any approvals for her colleagues here. So let's jump into creating a workflow. So I'm going to go ahead and click New here. And basically some background on what a workflow is. In Solver, it's a process that groups multiple inputs, such as forms, for a specific group of users or one user to manage a budget or forecast project. For example, when working on our annual budget, we need to decide who will be involved in reviewing this and submitting that assignment. So to begin, I will create a name for this workflow. This is optional, but I can select a time frame that this needs to be worked on. So starting today, if I'd like. So I don't have to, that's optional. And then select a template that this user will be reviewing. So let's select F248. So this is our expense budget by department, our budget analyzer. And then here there are certain parameters, so I can make adjustments to what parameters we want to have them review or let the user decide here. So right now they're going to just work with our set parameters, and then I'll select a user. So I'll select the demo admin, for example. And then below here, we have our reviewer or approver of this assignment. These are both optional as well. So I can select the demo admin for example, as an approver here. All right, so that's everything pretty much filled out that we need. And I'll save and publish this workflow for that user to get an assignment. All right, so let's say I'm the user now. Oh, I have a notification. So I do have an assignment here. So you've received an assignment and it shows the details here. I can go ahead and click from here to enter into the assignment. All right, so across the top here, um, you see that everything in regards to the parameters, it's grayed out, so I can't make any adjustments because that's how the workflow was created. So at this point, I could just review what has been provided to me. Um, so within this departmental expense form, I'm going to, as the user, I can put the projected cost for travel and training or any section here, for example, into any of the light green cells here. So if I make any adjustments here, I can then also leave a comment next to that. So we do have a few comments here. I'll take a further look into the details of this report. Okay, everything looks good. And let's say I'm looking at some of the red numbers here. So of course, dark green is good, and red needs some attention. So this is where I'll pay attention to if I need to make any adjustments here as well. So so far, these have notes on it, and I think it's good to go. All right, so at that point, once I've reviewed everything, I can say, okay, the assignment is complete. So I'll go ahead and click complete assignment. It's good to go. And let's jump over to the admin or the approver. At that point, the approver gets a notification and it says an assignment awaits your approval. So I can go ahead and click into the approval point of view and review what has been adjusted, if any, and were make sure they do exactly what they were assigned to do, and everything looks good. So I can mark this as approved at the top here. So that is the workflow and assignment process. So now once once everything looks good here, I'm gonna jump over and review our full budget. So let's go over to our report templates. And at this point, I can now review our consolidated budget by department to take a look at how we're doing. And I'll go ahead and click into our dashboard. Okay, and I see some details here, but I just need to jump straight to what I came here to see and make sure we're on track. So this is where our analysis agent, so using Copilot, will come in handy. So I'll go at the top right here, and we see our analysis Copilot appear. And at this point, I can enter in a prompt. So let me grab the prompt for you guys and paste it here. And we're identifying the top 3 anomalies here. So I'll go ahead and submit that. All right, so we see some information and key takeaways in which we can see what's going on with this particular budget and full details at the bottom here. So the results give me a clear overview of our financial standing. All right, so let's go back into our slides. That completes the demo portion. So let me jump back in here. All right, so basically the solution for someone who has been working with manual processes and just a better way to keep track of reports is using Solver's workflow. So this simplifies the template distribution for budget and forecast inputs, offering transparency with an audit trail and a smooth approval process. Also, our new feature, the Solver Copilot Analysis Agent, also provides a concise summary of the budget dashboard to improve decision making. All right, so here we now proceed to Solver's industry solutions. So we provide industry-specific financial planning and analysis tools for sectors such as SaaS, construction, nonprofit organizations, and senior living, among many others here. This ensures tailored support for our customers. For instance, let's say construction. Solver enables daily project profitability monitoring and scenario-based planning, reducing manual work and errors while enhancing your visibility into cost. Let's say nonprofit, we can help you increase your revenue with focused outreach and streamlined program cost allocation. And then let's say senior living. Solver can help you manage the patient care and financials more efficiently and amid rising demands. All right, so that's just to name a few, but as you see, there are many other sectors here that we can assist you in as we're specialized in that approach. All right, so that completes my presentation for today. Overall, Solver helps you turn budgeting into a strategic advantage, allowing for smarter, intelligent decisions and your better results across many industries. Thank you for your time, and if you'd like to learn more, we have our QR code right on the screen here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Love how you incorporate Copilot. It's very exciting how AI is kind of helping our solutions as well as helping our customers with more data insights.
Yes, thank you.